Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm finally filming in my old room again. Like, this is where I used to film most of my videos, but today I've just flipped the camera the other way because there's so much natural light outside, and I thought I could just use it. Of course I have other lights going on, but I just felt like filming in this room today. So in today's video, it's not going to be a makeup tutorial or a review, but I'm going to do a haul. I've never done a haul video on my channel ever. So this is like a collective haul. Few are from Amazon, few from Nykaa, some clothing, and a lot from Miniso. So these are the items I got in the last 2 weeks. So if you want to know what they are, then please continue watching. So the first item we have here is the L18 Colourpop matte lipsticks. I have 4 shades with me. I already have one shade with me, so I thought why not buy some more shades so that I can do a full review and swatches of some colors for you. I'm not going to swatch the lipsticks right now, or else the video will be super long. So yeah, I have these lipsticks first. And I have the Bioderma Sensi Bio H2O micellar water. This is one of the OG micellar water that came up, and I've always wanted to try it out, and because I've emptied my Garnier micellar water, the bigger bottle, I thought I could just buy this. This is the 100 ml bottle, I guess. Yeah, this is a 100 ml bottle, and this one retails for, I can't find the prices. I will leave the link or the price of everything that I'm showing today in the description box below, so you can check it out. So I have this one. I will do a comparison of this and the Garnier pink bottle just to show you a comparison, so you have a lot of content coming up on my channel. And as a gift, I got the same, I got the same micellar water in a very mini size, like, a cute sample size. This one is a 20 ml bottle. So yeah, that's it for my first Nykaa parcel. On my Instagram, I asked you to suggest me brands to do one brand makeup tutorial, and a lot of you suggested Maybelline. I have done a Maybelline one brand tutorial back in the day, like when I started my channel, but even I want to do like an updated one brand makeup tutorial with Maybelline, because I have most products from them, especially lipsticks, but I don't have their eyeshadow, so I went ahead and bought an eyeshadow palette from Maybelline. This is their City Mini palette. So I got this one. None of the products that I got were on the actual MRP. All of them was on some or the other discount. So I really like the fact that I utilize a discount like this. So I got this eyeshadow palette, and I got a lip liner. But before that, let me show you 2 lipsticks that I got from Maybelline. So I also got a lip liner from Maybelline. This is their Color Sensational lip liner. I don't remember the shade name, but it's a very wine burgundy kind of a shade. I don't have a lip liner or a lipstick in this shade, so I got this one. And I also got, I was actually thinking so much whether or not to buy these lipsticks which I'm about to show you, but Janani, my friend from Beauty Bonkers, she literally made me buy it. These lipsticks which I'm about to show you came in the market a few months back, I think a few weeks back or something, but I was really contemplating whether to buy them or not, because I already have 2 shades from the existing collection, and these were supposed to be the limited edition, and I didn't know whether to buy them or not. But after seeing my friend Janani's review, I thought, okay, let me give it a shot. I'm talking about the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Coffee Edition lipsticks. So they came out with 4 shades, and I got 2 shades because I can see myself wearing only these 2. One shade is in Hazelnut Hypnotizer, which is like a mauve brown shade. I'm not too sure whether it will suit me or not, but I will do like a full review with swatch with and without makeup, so that you can check it out and see if you are from my skin tone, you can check whether it will match you or not. And the other shade is Cocoa something. I will leave all the names in the description box, and this is the shade I'm actually wearing on my lips right now. I'm absolutely loving this shade. So yeah, I will do like a comparison between the existing Superstay Matte Ink with these lipsticks. So that is it from Nykaa. Along with lipsticks, I also bought 2 foundations. I can't believe I bought foundations because it's been a while since I actually purchased a new foundation. I think I got the Milani foundation last year when I was in Bangalore. That was my new foundation, but I got 2 this time, and both of these foundations are Malvika's recommendation. So if you're following her, you will know what foundations I'm going to talk about. So the first foundation is the Color Bar 24 Hours Weightless Liquid Foundation. I actually saw even Janani reviewing about this. I've seen Malvika liking this foundation, but I really wanted to check other videos, and when I saw Janani liking it, I thought, okay, why not? Let me go for it. I'm in the shade FC 4.2. Let me show you the packaging. This is a beautiful foundation. I've actually used some, and it comes in this beautiful tube kind of a packaging with a pump. So why am I doing a review right now? It seems like I'm doing a review right now, but this is how the foundation looks, and I will do a full review once I try and test it out for some more times. The next foundation we have here is the LA Girl Pro Coverage Illuminating Foundation, which is what I have on my face right now. I absolutely love the foundation. I was again thinking whether to buy this one or the matte foundation from this variant, but these days I'm not more into matte coverage but more into dewy illuminating foundation. So I'm really liking the way it is sitting on my face right now, and that's why I wanted to record it with lots of natural light so that you can see the foundation on my skin. So this is in the shade Nude Beige. Yeah, Nude Beige. And yeah, so far so good. I've applied this twice and I am liking it. Again, I will do a full review on it once I use it for some more time. Saving the Miniso haul for the last segment, and let's move on with the clothing haul because there's only 3 or 4 pieces to show you. The first piece is actually the one that I'm wearing right now. This is a knitted t-shirt from H&M. If you're planning to visit H&M, then definitely go and check the section that says sale or up to 60%, 70% off, because I can't find the tag of this t-shirt right now right here, but this originally retailed for rupees 7.99 and I got it for rupees 5.99. That's not a lot of discount. But the next piece that I'm going to show you is like this black and beige or black and white top. I'm not so sure. So this is the next item. This is like a a really nice cool shirt like top, and this one actually originally retails for rupees 1,499 and the sale price is 4.99. See, so always check for the sale section and you will find some amazing pieces like this, even from a quality brand like H&M. The next 2 pieces I bought from Lifestyle from a brand called And or A&D. I don't know whether it's an abbreviation or you're supposed to say And, but one is like a semi-formal navy blue blazer. Like, I have an interesting announcement coming up, but the dates are not confirmed yet, but I'm going to be a guest speaker in a college in Mumbai. It's a Zoom meeting, but I thought of getting a blazer like this. It's a semi-formal blazer. So I got this from the brand called and this was also on a 50% flat 50% off. So I will try to leave the link of it, or else I'll just leave the price point and you can check it out. The next piece that I got is again from it is a shirt like top which is black in color. This is how it looks. I really like black as a color for my outfits and everything. So even this was on a flat 50% off. So yeah, like I said, none of the things that I got were on its original price point except this makeup item. Before we move on to the Miniso haul, let me just quickly show you one product that I completely forgot to show you. It was lying right here, but I just forgot to take it up and show it to you. But I don't know if you're ready. Like, if you're already following me on Instagram, you know this product already. But I bought the Friends and Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. Woohoo! If you're a Friends fan, then you know the kind of excitement that's going inside me for owning this palette in the first place. It's a huge palette and it has about 27 shades. It is not definitely a palette that you can carry easily with, because just look at the size of the palette. Isn't this so cute? They launched a while back, and since then I've been wanting to get it, and I got this from an Instagram page called Beauty Bar Lounge. I will leave their handle in the description box below. They deal with authentic international makeup. HOK Makeup did have this, but I've got some pieces from HOK Makeup and the pan would be shattered, the packaging would not be so great, so I was skeptical to buy a huge palette like this. Not just huge, it also costs a little bit more than your regular palettes, so I was not so sure. And then when I saw Beauty Bar Lounge have this palette, I thought, why not get it from them? And this is how the palette looks. Can you see how beautiful the palette looks? just so gorgeous, and it has a huge mirror. See, yeah, that's my camera. But such a huge mirror, and the only con is that you can't just travel easily with it. But such a versatile palette, such a beautiful palette, and just, for a Friends fan, I think if you're a Friends fan and a makeup fan, I think you're sorted with this palette. Just to show you that I am a crazy Friends fan, this is my phone back cover. My friend got it for my birthday last year, and this one I got it for my birthday this year. My birthday is next month. I don't know why I'm chit chatting in between the video, but yeah, I'm so happy to have this palette with me. I will do like a complete tutorial with this palette, but I just wanted to mention it with my other hauls. Now let's quickly jump with the Miniso haul, and I know the moment I said Miniso in my intro, most of you are waiting for that, so let's go. So the products are in no particular order. The first product I have here is the silicone facial cleanser. This is how it looks. This resembles the Foreo Luna. It looked pretty much like that, but only costs like a fraction of what Foreo costs for. So I got this one. And the next product I have here is a mirror. I know this mirror that I use in my videos, it's slightly dirty, it's okay. This one is also from Miniso, not Miniso, it's called Mumuso. In one mall it's called Mumuso. I think it's a branch of Miniso or something. But I really wanted like a stand mirror, so I got this, which is like a foldable mirror. So I got this one from Miniso. Let me open and show it to you. I really wanted to get one in blue, but they only had in pink. So I thought, it's okay, whatever. So this is how it looks. I thought it would be easier for me to place it somewhere here while doing tutorials, rather than having a mirror in my hand and holding it and doing it. Like, for doing eyeshadows and all, a standing mirror would be a better option. So I got this one. Like, some of these products right here are really impulse buy. Like the next one that I'm going to show you. This is a hair band, like the band that you put before doing the skincare or makeup. I don't really need it, but I thought it would be a cute addition to my vanity, so I got this one. The next item is actually a skincare product, but I don't know how effective this is. This is the tablet kind of your tablet kind of sheet mask that, if you put it in rose water, it opens up as a sheet mask and then you use it. I really thought it would be a fun thing for Instagram. That's the reason I bought it, because I have my regular sheet mask in my home, but this one was really fun and cool. I have seen Malvika's Miniso haul and she has shown something like this, so I thought, why not use it for Instagram purposes. So I got this one. The next thing I bought, this is again an essential item. This is like your brush cleanser, silicone brush cleanser. Like, you just place it on your sink and then you take your dirty brush and then swirl it on it and then easily wash it off. So I saw this and this was the only piece left, so I thought, why not just grab it before someone else takes it. So I got this one. The next item is again an impulse buy, which is a water bottle. Yeah, this is like, this is 480 ml. This is not even half a liter, but looks cute. This will look cute on my table when I edit or when I work. This would be a cute addition, and because it's cute, I'll have the reminder to constantly drink water. I know that's an excuse, and these days I have started to drink more water, but this would be like, a cute prop on my table. That's the reason I bought it. The next item that I have here is a coin pouch, but you can also use it to keep your earphones in it. I don't use earphones, but I only use headphones, so I think I can only use it as a coin pouch. This is actually a coin pouch which is paw shaped. How cute is this? I really wanted to get it because it is paw shaped. I think I have coin pouch with me, but this was too cute to pass. So I got this, and even my friend got the same thing. Both of us went shopping, and she also got some stuff from Miniso, and we got the same pouch and same color. But just look how cute is this. I don't know what that bird wants. Yeah, what do you want? Nothing. Okay, let Mr. Bird keep chirping, and let's continue with the video. So even the zip has a cute paw in it. yeah, this was too cute to pass, so I thought, why not get it. The next item we have here is the Miniso scented candle in the fragrance vanilla latte. This is like, I haven't opened it up yet. I thought I could just show it to you on camera and then open it up. Again, a cute prop on my desk, and I am like this home fragrance kind of a person. You can see me burn incense sticks a lot for my room. I do it for my altar, but even then for my room, for myself, I like good fragrances around me. So you'll always see me use camphor or incense sticks or candles or anything like that. So I just thought, why not buy this. Okay, this is how it looks. This is how the candle looks. Yeah, it smells decent. I won't say it smells amazing, but for the price I'm paying, I thought, okay, why not? Because this retails for rupees 190, and I thought, why not just give it a try. The fragrance is not too great like your Bath and Body Works candle or even like Shreya's candle, but it is decent enough for me to give it a shot. So we have that. The next item we have here is a pair of sunglasses. Speaking of glasses, I actually went ahead and bought like a UV protecting glass, if that's what it's called, for people who do a lot of computer work, who see a lot of screen work. That bird is not going to stop, I think. Okay, let's continue. Speaking of glasses, I went ahead and bought this UV protecting screen glass. I don't know what you call, for people who work with their computers for a long time. I think this actually protects your eyes from the rays that comes from the computer. I'm not a techie. I don't know what it's called, but these days I really get tired so easily. My eyes get tired so easily. So I thought, why not get it? And I bought it just today. I'm recording this on 16th and I got it this morning only. So let me just show you. That's how it looks on me. I know it looks so different, and for all of you, I know this could be so different because it's so different for me as well. But yeah, it has a light tint to it, like a blue tint to it. So I got this, and I got like a pair of sunglasses from Miniso. Let's quickly jump back to Miniso haul. Let's quickly come back to the Miniso haul, and the last product that I have here is the pair of sunglasses. Let me just quickly show it to you. I know it looks extra, but I really like the work and the shape of it. I'm more into cat eye glasses a lot, because more than your regular square or oval, I really prefer the cat eye shape for my eye shape. And even my screen glass, that's what I'm gonna call it. Even my screen glass has a cat eye shape, and I really think it suits me better. So I really like the sunglass. They didn't give me a pouch or a box because they said even they didn't get it like that. They only gave it in a Ziploc cover. I should probably find a pouch to put this in, because it really doesn't look cool with a Ziploc cover. That is it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed watching my haul. If you like watching hauls from me, then leave it in the comment section. If I do more hauls, which I probably will, because I'm a makeup lover, I'm a content creator, and I will buy more stuff for my channel for myself. So if I do, I will definitely do a haul for all of you. So make sure to leave it in the comment section. I would love to read your comments. I will see you all in another video, and before you leave, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and also hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Take care. Bye.